In the past 4 months alone, I've been able to generate over $100,000 in trading profits using this one algorithmic concept. This one concept blended together with my time-based ranges is going to give you a very high probability trading environment. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly why price doesn't reach into certain highs and lows within the market. And understanding what I'm going to teach you, I promise you 99% of traders don't get to this level of understanding the market. So with all of that being said, let's get into this video. Understanding balanced price ranges. So this is a concept which is very useful within the market when applied the right way. And one thing I'm going to tell you straight away, it's not just two fair value gaps overlapping each other, which I'm seeing all over social media. That's not a balanced price range. So what even is a balanced price range? So I'm going to give you a definition of what a balanced price range is, because if you can't define something, then you don't truly understand what it is. So a balanced price range is when both buy side and sell side has been delivered efficiently. So the algorithm sees this as an area which it doesn't need to rebalance. Think of this as a consolidation, and the algorithm works in cycles. So one of the cycles within the algorithm is a consolidation into an expansion. So the consolidation starts everything. So a balanced price range starts everything within the market. So how does the balanced price ranges actually look within the market? Well, firstly, I need you to stop viewing it as fair value gaps overlapping each other. I need you to understand buy side and sell side delivery and the importance of it. So for an area to be balanced, you need both buy side and sell side to be delivered efficiently within the market. This is where a consolidation takes place. A consolidation is not random. It's actually very useful to the algorithm to start an expansion. So you can see here, every down close candle you see within the market has a very specific meaning. The down close candle has a meaning of sell side. The up close candle has a meaning of buy side. So this is two terms of delivery. Now I need you to listen up. When both of this is within a consolidation, so we move higher, move lower, so we're delivering both up close candles and down close candles within a specific area, and you can see there's no fair value gaps being made. This area that I'm going to shade in, this is all balanced within the market. So the algorithm sees this as a balanced area, and this is where a expansion should take place. So we expand to the upside. Now I need you to listen up very carefully. When you see no fair value gaps within a range, and we deliver both buy side and sell side, so this is a balanced price range, 50% of this range must be important. So if you wanted to play continuation from one of my time-based ranges, this is where it's going to become important. And this is where you expect one side of the range not to be taken at all. And as you can see right here, we've delivered sell side, we've delivered buy side, and this is all overlapping each other where we fail to make any fair value gaps. So fair value gaps actually hold an important factor to this market. They're not just a PD array that you're entering off of. The real inefficiency within the market that needs rebalancing, and that's usually where an expansion takes place within the market. Without a fair value gap, there's never going to be an expansion. You'll never see an expansion within the market without a fair value gap firstly being made to start it off. So you can see this balanced price range where we deliver both buy side and sell side, price pushes to the upside. What do you see right here? You see a fair value gap. We push to the upside, trade back to 50%, and now we can trade higher. So why does the market even seek 50%? Well, we're seeking 50% because that's the only area of fair value within the market. The market seeks fair value. All of these markets are efficient. So if the market can't take out a high and a low of a dealing range, it's going to seek a fair value. And fair value is going to be found at 50% of a balanced price range. So you can see this is why we failed to take out this low. We take out the high, come back to 50%, hold up 50%, and now we trade higher. And I know this concept is going to help a lot of you in your trading because now you're going to know exactly when one side of the market should not be taken. And don't worry, we are going to dive into some examples within the charts as well. You can view balanced price ranges exactly like this using the concept of a consolidation, expansion, and retracement. So when the market consolidates, this is an accumulation of orders. So once we consolidate, this should be followed by an expansion. The market expands, so this is one of the market cycles. It's a consolidation into an expansion. Once the market expands, this is where retracements are allowed to play the continuation. This is exactly one of the functions the algorithm uses. So you can see we have our balanced price range, both buy side and sell side has been delivered. The market follows an expansion because it breaks out of this range. Now we have 50% retracements are allowed. Now we trade back into there and we can continue the consolidation. So one thing you should note if you made it this far into the video, and what makes the model very high probability using my time-based ranges, is if the market goes into a consolidation, then it expands, and then we have a reversal. This is exactly where your mind should be thinking power of three, where we have an accumulation, manipulation, and then a distribution. And this is one of the highest probability trading environments as well. But for completeness sake, you are viewing this as a consolidation where we have a balanced price range. Price expands out, no need to trade below this low, and we trade back to 50%, and then we continue on our travels in the direction we want to. This is one of the biggest misconceptions in the trading space right now. Everyone is preaching that this is a balanced price range where we have a fair value gap, price trades into it again, and then this area is balanced within the market. So what did we speak about before? We spoke about both buy side and sell side delivery. So for this area to be balanced, it needs to deliver buy side and sell side. So what can we see straight away? So this is a training exercise to train your eye and see what I'm talking about. You can see I have two fair value gaps. They are both up close candles. So what does this mean straight away? Only buy side has been delivered. If we've only delivered buy side, how does this need to get rebalanced? This needs to get rebalanced with sell side delivery. Okay, that's perfect. Now this area is partially balanced because the imbalance was we have buy side to the upside, we need sell side delivery. These down close candles deliver the sell side back into the fair value gap, and then we push away. However, to balance this range, we then need to deliver sell side again. Bodies need to close within this gap, and then buy side gets delivered again. So we stay within this range, only delivering buy side and sell side. This is one of the strongest algorithmic principles within the market, seeing a balanced price range, only because this is going to be followed with breakaway gaps, which start an expansion, which I'm going to get into 2026 and show you what true breakaway gaps really are. But you can use this understanding to know exactly where 50% is going to be important and when one side of the range doesn't need to be taken at all. So going back to what we said at the start of the video before we get into the chart examples, when price has its consolidation, this is going to be viewed as a balanced price range. Not every single consolidation is a balanced price range, as I'm going to show you. However, 50% of the range does become important. If you are bearish, you can see this low should not get taken because buy side and sell side both has been delivered efficiently. So the market consolidates, expands, and then retraces. So this is one of the signatures from the algorithm, which is basically following. And you can see this is why you don't expect a reversal. But if this range wasn't balanced, we take out the high, you expect a accumulation, manipulation, and a distribution. So this is where the market consolidates, expands into a reversal. Your mind immediately thinks AMD. So now let's dive into some chart examples for an easy understanding. Okay, so looking at this chart example, this is probably looking like a random move to most of you, like price just traded lower and then it traded to the upside. So this shaded area, this actually represents something a lot more important to me. So we have an area where we made a high and we made a low. All of this is a delivery. This is a delivery fractal. So we have sell side, buy side, sell side, buy side. This is all a rebalancing fractal within the market. The market becomes unbalanced once we trade all the way down here. Why? Because we have fair value gaps. What do fair value gaps create if we're in a consolidation? It creates an expansion. We trade to the downside and then we start delivering both buy side and sell side. So this whole stick of candles, this becomes balanced. So this whole area is balanced within the market. Now we pop up and then give a buy side delivery. So this sell side delivery that was previously unbalanced, this becomes balanced with this up close candle. So to completely balance it, what do we need to deliver? We need to deliver both sell side and buy side. Now I need you to listen up. You can see 50% becomes sensitive. We don't need to trade below the low of this range. And I'm going to throw in a bonus for those of you that made it this far into the video. So when you see a fair value gap like this, and then you see price push to the upside, and then we have a large wick, and then we have one single candle. You want to draw out the high of this, you want to see this hold as a redelivered rebalance. So we rebalance this fair value gap and we redeliver to this consolidation. This is one of the strongest algorithmic principles as well, because we're redelivering into an area. This is where we have a breakaway gap, so no bodies close within this level. Price can now expand to the upside and then we trade higher. So this might be a higher level of understanding of the market, but as I said, 99% of people don't come to understanding the markets to this level. So this is where we have both buy side and sell side delivery being made. We have a fair value gap which rebalances this area, and then we have a redelivered rebalance, which I've just gone over. Price trades back, delivers back to 50%. Low of this range should be safe. We trade to the upside. And we have another example right here. We have a low and we have a high. So what's happening within this market? This isn't just a random consolidation. This is time distortion. So when the algorithms met an objective within the market, it can distort by time. So that's where we stay within a tight range. And this tight range is usually viewed as an accumulation. So you can see both buy side and sell sides being delivered and offered within the market. So this is where the area becomes balanced. You see, we push to the downside, this area becomes unbalanced, okay? So we can trade back into that. So this is the fair value gap starting the expansion. But this is where the fair value gap starts the expansion as well. This high should be safe. And why should this high be safe? Because we have a balanced price range. Which areas should be sensitive within the market? 50%. This spike up is not random. The market wanted to trade into this high. It knows liquidity and orders are resting above this high, but it's met by a brick wall. This is literally a brick wall within the market. It hits it and it's like, no, I can't get through, and then spikes back to the downside. And now I have one final example. You can see we have buy side, sell side being delivered. All of these down close candles need to be met with a up close candle. Up close candle gets delivered here. We have this down close candle being made. It needs to be met with an up close candle. This is all becoming balanced within the market. This range is now balanced. This low down here, we should not trade into it. So you can see we have 50% resting. Price trades back into 50%. We failed to trade below this low. If we make an SMT, this is where it's even more high probability for the longs to the upside. And using this understanding and blending it together with my time-based ranges, you're going to know exactly when the market takes out the high and when it doesn't need to take out the low either, because the range is already balanced and 50% should be an area of profit taking. So I hope you did find this video useful. As I said, into 2026, I do have some exciting news. And one of the exciting news is going to be I'm starting my first bootcamp on YouTube. And this bootcamp is going to be completely free, and it's going to give you an A to Z guide of understanding algorithmic principles within the market. And also my Blueprint Academy will be open again for applications if you do want to learn from me more one-on-one and learn about the markets in more detail. But with all that being said, remember I'm rooting for you and I hope you do find success in this business. As always, enjoy the rest of your day.